Where's your partner in crime or your friend?
Partner in crime?
The dude, where's he at?
Control your party because we're calling security. So
it was exactly $18 per shot.
Okay.
It's like, what?
Orlando police officers are called to Universal Studios CityWalk for a large disturbance in front of Jimmy Buffets Margaritaville. They arrive to a chaotic scene between staff and a family from Georgia. The restaurant manager begins to advise the officer that she was assaulted by a female in the party. The father arrives and describes a tale fit for the Better Business Bureau. Braden, who was served multiple shots of liquor, claims he was charged for water. According to the arrest report, the security footage was reviewed, which showed Braden and his sister Whitney both physically assaulting the manager. Braden received probation and $600 in fines. Whitney Harris fled the theme park. Please subscribe for more cop cam videos. Thanks for watching.
She literally touched me.
So her?
She literally touched me.
We can talk!
They attacked her.
Free country, we can talk. We leaving, bro.
It's
the problem.
Relax.
I thought I was the problem. Just bring me out.
Apparently it's not you.
Started that shit first with They're over here. We've been here 2 hours and they brought me a water.
I'm trying to help you.
I just try to leave. And they're sitting here talking about why they mad about they didn't get a tip. I've been here 2 hours.
Silver for me.
I've been 2 hours.
It seems like you're not a problem. So let me figure out what's security.
I'm trying to help you, man.
Okay, you go.
Trespass and press charges.
Okay, press them on me.
So they're literally cursing at our team members, at our venue and everything. While she's walking here, she's literally flipping her fingers.
Okay.
So we went outside and I told this gentleman right here, control your party because we're calling security. So while she's on the phone, that lady there, she literally flipped on me. And I'm sorry that I'm gonna do the sign to you, but she literally put the sign in my chest.
Okay.
Like she literally came to me like I had to be many times. All of my team members are outside for no reason.
Okay, so what did she do to you? So
She touched me. She literally touched
can
me.
you tell me how to touch you? How?
She was literally like she went here. I'll do it with you. She was literally coming up. I have
Okay.
our
So
team
which
members
one
had to
is the shirt?
stop them from hitting us. They were literally the woman right there. Yes. Yes, please. Whatever I have to do, I have to press charges. Whatever the case might be, I want to do it right now.
So can you just reenact what she did to you? I
Okay,
just
so
want to
I'll show you. So she literally came up and was like, what? And our team member had to get in the middle and stop it.
Okay. And you said you want to press
And
charges
the
for
both
anything?
of them, absolutely no problem.
Our team member had to stop that gentleman from hitting the both of
Which
us.
gentleman?
The one with the blue, that has like the
Like
white
Adidas
strip.
pants.
Like the Adidas pants.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Gotcha. So can we help you?
No, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Are you involved?
I'm
in
the
situation?
father of all of these
Very
things.
So
calm. So
what did you see?
What I see?
What happened?
What I seen was we were leaving. It was a horrible experience. So we're leaving. Everybody's pissed. We're pissed as consumers. They're mad because we're hostile as we're leaving. We go to leave out as we're leaving. Of course, everybody's pissed and we're going. They come running out. Daughter jumps up. My daughter jumps up like, what? Go that way. Go that way, Ray. Just go. I got it.
Go back over there.
Go that way. I got it.
Please. Go back over there.
We're good.
With the security guards. Thank you. Carry on.
But what I'm saying is, they're an established horrible service. We're pissed off. It was a mutual pissed off thing. They didn't like us saying "F you, your service sucked." You didn't. And we didn't like them saying "F you, customer."
Okay. So
That's what just happened.
that's not what we're having issues with. You're allowed to say what
There's
words
no
you want.
physical,
think what words
nothing.
you want. At what point did it get physical?
As far as I'm
they
concerned,
literally, she did got physical with me.
Okay.
Like I
I'm
have
going to say no to that.
right now here, they witnesses.
I mean, jumping up and going, what? That's not physical.
Okay. It depends on how they
You know what I
interpret
mean? But if you attack somebody, that's physical.
But when you interpret like that, I mean, it depends how. If you come up in my face and do that to me,
So
This doesn't.
yeah, I know. I'm trying to.
This doesn't.
I've got this.
Please stop. Look.
no, you're not free to go at all. Everyone right now is being detained until we finish this investigation.
Sir, just go here.
Over there.
And I'm about to get shitty because I'm the one who got the shitty
Oh,
service.
sir, hang over there, please. We're trying to figure it out.
At this point, we have kind of word versus word of their party versus
I'm trying to be as funny as I could.
we all. It's one of those. We can see which party's being the outer but in order to actually proper anything out of it. It's party versus party. Court, but
Alright. Just walk inside. If someone might approach and say, hey, I saw what happened. So just walk inside, see if any, just see if anything happens.
so.
I'm trying to figure out who we have. We have him.
Look at that! Look at that!
He didn't just, he whipped it and he almost lost balance. That wasn't on purpose. I saw that happen.
This is
Stop.
I want to go.
So where are other parties now?
So yeah, wherever she went, let's get all their info.
Are they leaving the property? Like, where's he going?
This
No, they shouldn't be leaving the property.
They're all coming, right?
Control bike.
Well, they're not all coming. We're not done with you guys. Where's your partner in crime or your friend?
Partner in
The
crime.
dude, where's he at?
Dude, I paid $18 for
Where's the other guy at?
I just paid $18
Where's
for
the
fucking
question?
water.
Where's the other
I'm
guy
just
at?
trying to get my fucking water.
Where's the other guy at?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get my water.
Where are you going?
None of your fucking business.
Yeah, but I'm gonna take this guy. He's done. Yeah, this one's about to go. Yeah, this will go. Here, sir.
I got it. I'm in. What for what?
Right now, resisting.
153 for control.
Because you were detained and you keep on walking after we told you not to.
No, you didn't tell me.
Oh, absolutely, dude.
Would you like us
Just tell me. Just tell me what you got to ask me. You didn't tell me I was
Nope.
detained.
Oh, so walking away?
Where?
That's not.
Where? I'm just trying to go
Okay.
where you want me to, bro. You walking to where you want to, or what?
Oh, happened now, you are, yeah.
Right in front of the crew, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, cool. I'll let them know they bitches.
Right now we have a 1015 for the city to be with campus. On that one 1015 is 20 minutes to go.
It's funny now, huh?
When have they used this?
I've been left the whole time because I paid $18 for the water.
Kyle, hang tight to him real quick. We stop you out.
He's with him.
What do I need?
I mean, you're not going to jail with him, so you're
I
you're
need
free
to
to leave
help
the
him
party.
from going.
Well, he's going to jail, so that's in the story for resisting. After we told him to stop, he refused to stop and kept on going.
When you went out
so
the door?
Absolutely. So when he turns back, so he's going to jail for resisting. We're going to need at 1014 more information because we're all getting trespassed on his property. That's what's going to happen, dude. So we're trying to work with you, trying to figure out what's going on, but no one here wants to work with us.
Am I arrested or am I detained?
Are you done?
Am I detained or?
Detained before. We told you to stop walking. You kept walking. You got in my face before.
You're being trespassed. You're not trespassing right
I don't understand what's happening. I left the restaurant.
now. And when is Whitney's birthday?
I don't fucking know.
You didn't say you're her dad?
I'm her dad and I don't know, yes. Horrible father. No, go ahead, arrest me. What's your name? Madison? Wait.
W. Leonard.
Hold on.
I got your business card.
Hold on. Now you stay for me.
Dude, I not stay for you at all.
Yeah, now you hold on.
Okay.
What's your name? Your name and background, sir.
Leonard 35715.
Yours?
36049.
Gotcha. And he's being arrested for?
Disorderly conduct and resisting.
You resisted?
Can I get a video evidence from him?
It's been recorded. This is all been recorded.
No, for.
Perfect. Y'all never asked me
Everything,
to
dude,
be
this is
detained,
recorded from when we got here.
We've already been over this 3 times. Fine.
Yeah, I can't. That's
Take my shit on my body. Can you stop?
Which way is the current?
Pull my pockets back in, please. I look stupid. Throw me back in like what's the name? It's like going Drop Street. Don't throw me in water. Yeah. I'm never coming back here.
Okay. No, it's convenient because they're being trespassed, so you shouldn't come back here.
So I ain't gonna pay my fine. So everything you give me in court right now, I ain't fucking paying. Come get my ass. I don't understand. What? I'm supposed to sit right here?
Easy. Yeah, finish some stuff up.
Alright, leg on me.
You can sit.
Leg on. Alright. Let's just leg on.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear it, man. So, question I have for you, I'm gonna ask you one more time because I'm not really patient.
I'm not really answering.
You have to answer the question, but we do have to tell me is your name. If you don't, that's another charge. That's gonna be a misdemeanor charge.
I don't have my license on me, so I can't give it to you.
That's okay. Because at the jail,
If I'm like being investigated under a crime, that's fine. I can give it to you, but if I don't have it, then I can't give it to you.
No, but what you're not understanding is, again, like I said, yeah, just allow me to speak. So I'm not really patient when it comes to that kind of information. If you don't give it to me, what you just did, I'm just gonna add that charge, which is failure to identify yourself when you're ready under arrest. Would you like that?
You don't want to hear my name, or do you?
Are you going to give it to me, or are we going to play back and forth?
Braden Hopkins.
Okay.
So you heard, right? Glad we are.
Go ahead and spell your first name for me. All right, and do you have a date of birth?
Yep.
When's your birthday?
Do you have to know this information?
I do, in order for me to report, like I said, or I can
It's
just...
going to be reported as what?
You know, your birthday, so we can put you into the jail system properly?
Do I have to?
Absolutely. If you don't, then I'm just going to add the charge. I can just explain to you.
419.
Like I said, I'm not patient. I don't really care, so it's not a big deal.
It's really your fault for not being able to spell it.
I'm not going to jail. I'm going home. So it doesn't matter, dude.
I'm going to go home at the end of the day any fucking way.
Not today, but all right.
We'll see tomorrow, bitch.
Okay.
Why do I have to tell you that?
Because they're trying to identify you.
What does that mean?
If you're not identified, you get booked in as John Doe.
You know, he's a Georgia resident. We just checked on Elvis. It's not coming back with the ID deal.
Perfect. I'm Elvis.
First name's going to be Brendan. It's going to be Bravo Romeo
It's
Echo.
Braden.
Yankee November Delta.
Yankee?
Echo November.
I'm a Southerner.
It's going to be the middle name of Delta.
If a shot's an $18 shot because it's here in CityWalk, and I know prices are high, that's $18, right? You would have to pay the $18 because that is your part of the bill.
It was exactly $18 per shot.
Okay, so if that's what it is, if you got served shots and it says your bill's $18, that's what you're paying for, right? Okay, so we got that part, right? We understand that.
All right, Mr. Hopkins, let's go.
Good.
Appreciate it. All right, Ms. Hopkins, just put your chest against the door. Okay. Widen your stance for me. Widen your stance for me. Widen your stance. Just like that. Do you have any weapons or anything on you that's going to poke me, hurt me, anything crazy like that? Or take that as a no.